What's going on, guys? It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing now is I've got a Toyota Corolla here, hybrid. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's a hybrid or a standard one or whatever it is. We're going to go ahead and do a nice easy job. We're going to change the wheel arch cover. I know it's not a technical job, it's a mechanical job kind of thing. It's not even mechanical actually. Wheel arch cover. So yeah, Toyota Corolla wheel arch cover replacement, the front wheel arch cover replacement. Let's go, let's do it. Okay, if you want to, you can do it without taking the wheel off, but I would say for the sake of one wheel, makes your life a little bit easier. I would say go ahead, take the wheel off. I took all the nuts off, 21mm, take them off, and yeah, we'll take the wheel off, and it makes our life a bit more easier. I would say that's the best bet, best way to do it. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice here, but yeah. So yeah, let's take the wheel off. As you can see, it's all freestyling, and we'll go from there. Okay, as you can see here, wheel is off. I mean, it's dead easy to, replace the wheel arch cover. We've got little clips all round. I mean, you're supposed to have little clips here, like that one there, more, here, there, everywhere. Go around to this side, another one here. And obviously there's the culprit. Obviously the wheel has been catching, or it came off and the wheel caught it. So the clips are missing here. So what we'll do is, I haven't got all the clips, so what I'll do, I'll try securing it, cable ties, things like that. Get the new wheel arch cover on and see what's what. But first things first, let's take all these little plastic clips off. Push on clips. Let's take them off and we'll go from there. Let's go. Ta-da! It falls off after you take the last one off. There we go. Wheel arch cover is off. I mean, dead easy. Like I mentioned, only a few little clips, these plastic clips and whatever, them ones. In order to take them out, I've done one on another video. You pull this bit out first. Let's focus. There you go. Pull this bit out first, and then all you do is just basically, pull the plug out. The clip out. Yeah. All right. Okay. There's the old one. The new one's over there. Let's get the new one on. Let's go. Okay, as you can see there, I've got the new one in there. I mean, it's not the hardest job in the world. I mean, just take the old one off, put the new one in. Line all these up now. Can you see that? Line the screw hole, bolt holes, the clip holes that is. Line them up. This one here, another one there. Just line everything up and get these back on. That's it. Happy days. Job done. Put the wheel on. Don't forget to put the wheel on. And yeah. One wheel arch cover done. Well, there we go, guys. That's it. That's how we replace the wheel arch cover, the front wheel arch cover on a Toyota Corolla 2000 and what is this one? A 2015-16 kind of thing. I mean, not the hardest job in the world. You can do it dead easy. You can do it outside your house, on the floor. Jack it up if you want. If you don't want to jack it up, if you want to do it with the wheel on, it makes life harder, but I would recommend take the wheel off. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Tried my best. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.